Welcome back to Modernizing Java Apps with AI. In this episode, we are diving into the application modernization assessment. One of the hardest parts of modernizing legacy applications isn't writing the code. Rather, it's understanding what you are working with and figuring out where to start. Oftentimes, you will start in a scenario like me. I have just entered the tech industry and I am inheriting code that I actually don't know what to do with. And assessment is a step that turns this uncertainty into a clear, actionable workflow. The goal in this episode is to demonstrate how GitHub Copilot can help you move from "this looks scary" to "here is a concrete plan," turning traditionally what would take weeks, months, or perhaps even many whiteboards into something you can understand and take action upon within the span of minutes or hours, depending on the size of your application. For this series, we're going to be using a ski shop e-commerce application developed by one of my colleagues, Yoshio, which represents a very real version or a very real representation of a legacy system you will find in the enterprise world. This application is a monolith built using technologies that were common in the mid-2000s era. However, I'm a new developer, I have just walked into this mess, and I really don't know what to do. So let's use Copilot to get a bird's eye view of what we're working with. So I'll open up our project, and on the right side, we have our Copilot chat. I am using Claude Sonnet 4.5. We are in agent mode. That's not needed. Let's ask questions without making changes. So let me ask Copilot, hey, Copilot, I am just getting started with this project. Can you help me understand what frameworks and tools are currently being used from a bird's eye perspective? And now Copilot is taking it away. It is thinking, it'll scan the project, and hopefully in a few moments, we will see Copilot has given us some idea of what this project truly is. We can see everything it's reading. And this is the one thing I really love about Copilot. It shows you what it's doing. So you're in there, you're in there during the process. It's not just some magical black box. Okay, so we can see we have an output. Let's wait for it. Let's scroll to the top. So it says this is a legacy e-commerce application. It's a ski shop built as an application modernization demo. Yes, this is a demo. And here is the high-level technology stack. So we're using struts. It's on Java 1.5, and that's crazy to me because release 2004 means that I was just starting elementary school. It uses Java server pages for views, servlet. It's a monolithic WAR file. It has layered architecture, tells us about the databases, utilities and supporting libraries, the build and deployment tools, testing, so on and so forth. And it's suggesting a modernization plan, but we'll get to that real quick. So from a modernization perspective, this application carries a significant amount of tech debt. There's high security risks, limited maintainability, operational and infrastructure challenges, difficulty meeting modern-day compliance and scalability expectations. Architecturally, this single WAR file actually consolidates what today would be considered multiple services, things like authentication, inventory, payments, loyalty points, user management, and order processing, all tightly coupled into one deployment unit. This makes it a realistic modernization candidate, not just a toy example, and we're trying to show you something from the real world in this case. So let's go back to VS Code, and let's open up the extension. You will see on the left side over here, we have some pre-built tasks. These are the different entry points. We have start assessment, upgrade Java runtime and frameworks, migrate to Azure, scan and resolve CVEs. These are all pre-built scenarios you can take advantage of. However, let's start with the assessment. And this step is a read-only non-destructive step. Nothing is upgraded, nothing is migrated. Copilot is simply just analyzing everything in our project directory to build an accurate picture of the current state. What the application assessment does under the hood is it analyzes the project using a combination of static analysis tools and rule-based inspection, including Microsoft's application modernization and analyzers. It evaluates things like Java version and language features, framework and library usage, build configuration, deployment assumptions, cloud readiness signals, known modernization and migration patterns. It's picking up on patterns. We're all human beings. And as issues are discovered, they appear in this cool, nifty UI in real time that I like to call mission control. And this makes the assessment feel less like a black box and more like a live diagnostics process. And we can see here in this case, we're 50% of the way there. It's running all these rules, 286 rules, and it is breezing through them. And we can see our little dashboard, or perhaps big dashboard, very important dashboard, being populated with data. So the application just completed. We can see the centralized report that we're presented with. It acts as a control plane for modernization. We can see the core application metadata, Java runtime and platform constraints were on Java 1.5, the identified upgrade and migration categories, cloud readiness, so on and so forth. So we can see there's 10 cloud readiness issues, 3 Java upgrade issues. 50% of issues can be covered with Microsoft provided solutions. This doesn't mean that you're just left in the cold for everything else, but it does mean that you're able to use either Copilot to generate a plan. If you open up Copilot, you can actually see there is a section or a extension or a selection for planning. It allows you to research and create multi-step plans, or you're able to create a custom task right here. And in creating a custom task, you are able to create repeatable workflows with your own custom references. So you can see we can add references, and you can either give it a TXT file, external links, or even commits. Going back to the assessment report, we see all of our cloud readiness issues. We see all of our Java upgrade issues. So this is the cool thing about the app modernization extension, because real enterprise applications always have edge cases. And the tool is designed to handle common repeatable work automatically while giving you full control of the rest of your application to allow you to create your own repeatable custom tasks. And it makes it especially valuable because it tackles one of the most difficult problems in modernization, breaking down large, unfamiliar, monolithic applications into understandable and actionable steps. Instead of guessing, you now have a shared document understanding of the application, a categorized view of risk and effort, a clear path forward from assessment to planning to execution. And this turns modernization from that everything is okay to an initiative that you're able to take, a developer-driven workflow. And that brings us to the end of this episode. I found it really exciting. I always love this UI because it's just such a nice way to take such a large project and put it into one visualization. In the next episode, we are taking a journey around the globe to Berlin, where my colleague Sandra will be taking this assessment output and showing us how you can move from insights to actions using GitHub Copilot Modernize, execute modernization and migration tasks, and accelerate real progress. Thanks for watching, and our team will see you in the next episode.